Hadin balayat kumbashis nem tam ka jingmi ka hukum na ka sarkar ban khang kamai ki arshaka ki ba kamai ling ba ka app rapido ta ka bale online ni offline ban pen poy ki brio ki balet bawan na ka wei ka jaka shaka wei hakal leng ka nong ba shalong na mar ka don ka jing kamai ka balong be an pat kani na ka liang ka kunhun ki nong nya rapido na ka por shaka por kala let benya kendu yaki tanat sarkar ba pher ban dawa ban itu no yaki bakilong ki babet ban kamai bat ban ai no iki da ka permit kum balong lem ki local taxi. Henry kani ka jing dawa, kat haduk menta kampat laban urlong, pat menta kesengi, kani ka kenhun jo kinongnya rapido, kabala tip kum ka right to serve, kala let benya kendu ya menteri ketanat transport uba asniaw balangdar, ban pen kan mau biang sasisian sya ka sarkar, ban pen urlong no ya ka jing dawa jong ki. Pat haba yo banya keren bat menteri, ulaya tu banakaliang jong ka sarkar, kam shimrai halor ka jing dawa jong ki, banakaliang jong ula ong baun sara sya ka kenhun menteri, banya keren ya kani kamat.
Not a problem. They just submit me a representation only. They request me to give them permit, and that's what I will do. I will make them legal. As soon as they are illegal, friends.
Kini kiba suruh kamai offline begitu.
That's their duty. My duty is to give first the permit and document, and then I'll see if there is any complaint from the public. That's a normal process.
Kalau ada minta pun seperti apa noga.
No, that I have to pass in the cabinet. No, I have to pass. Okay, we'll make them register, we'll give them permit. Only then what are the offline, online, it's up to them only. Yeah, if it affects the people of the state, and if somebody complains, I'll take action against the complaint.
Kaya action berpikir mereka don di bawah ujur.
Don't expect I'll take action. Hope things will be in order, everything.
Kalau kemampuan lagi pajak bila uri kini kan, jangan overshot ke joki.
No problem. If I receive the complaint, I will call meeting. How I call meeting on the complaint?
Adalah I permit yaki ka kandan ka proper charge.
Yet to decide in the cabinet. There will be a proper table how to implement the fees.
Ka by charge ka.
Yes, we have to put the full transport. First we'll pass in the cabinet. We'll make them legal, and then we'll put the fees annually or whatever it may be, and then the process how to move in the city. So there is a guideline to guide them properly.
Sungi na kan ka jing dawa jong ki kala den adu musim snem te ka bapen slam pat adu menta te nama ka jing slam menta.
The first application I get today only. I don't know about the last one yet. Today is the first, and I'll get passed in the cabinet in a few days. Today is the first application I got. It may be 1-2 years. You are right, but no complaint how I'll take action as a minister.
Oh, he suggest kumno yaki as of now pat ba kim pat
I
legal.
don't suggest anything. Let me make them legal first, and then I will come with the rules and regulations.
So are they allowed to just go illegally and
That's why I won't allow. Frankly speaking, illegally I won't allow.
Kemulung tak isu tak kena.
That's why though I'm yet to study fast. Today the report came from them. I have to see the report from my department.
so now since it's not legalized can long be illegal can kamai be ye.
Don't worry.
So
The law will take action accordingly.
can beteng be ban kamai.
Don't worry. Since this thing come to my knowledge, we will do accordingly. What we should do from the government.
Dah, kalau sibun mah.